Yo, what's up, y'all? I'm back with another video. Again, this is recorded with the GoPro, so it's gonna be a longer riding video. If the mount wants to work right today. That's really what it's up to. I have no clue if there's water in the creek or not. Also, a limb fell down in my yard. That's nice. I gotta pick up the stick sometime. I don't know what we're gonna do about that big one. They want to let me pick it up. That's too big. Unfortunately. I think we're gonna have to cut it up with a chainsaw. Actually, I know that's what we're gonna have to do, but still. I'm just ready to put these Aztecs in some water. We had a little bit yesterday. It was about to the floorboards at deepest, but I'm talking about like racks at least. Third gear right now, bro. Ain't no way. I need to shift down, but it'll be alright. I just keep saying I'm gonna work on the mount and I forget. I'll probably add another zip tie in a minute. Zip ties and duct tape are a poor man's fix. No lie. Alright. That's why I use them though. I'm broke. If there ain't water in this, there probably ain't much in the creek. It's probably gonna be the same as last time we went down there. I would ride to the bridge, but I just made a video there, and it's kind of far. I don't feel like having to go all the way over there. It's not too far, but like I can get to it without going on the highway. It's just like an aggravating ride. Sorry y'all if I'm moving the camera too much. I'm just trying to make sure it stays still. Yeah, there probably ain't gonna be water in here. Look at this. That means ain't much rainwater got in here. I don't even know if it rained last night. I don't even know why I have any hope. It's probably just about to be low. Yep, just like it was before. Yeah, over there's dry as free. I'm gonna back in over there. I'm not gonna drive in it like I did that one time. That was probably the worst decision I've ever made. This is probably why it feels so deep compared to the rest of it. When it's high, it just drops right here. I'm not even in the rut good. Let me get over. Alright. We're straight now. This junk for real, no joke. It's like clay. And there's rocks in it. What the freak? It ain't nothing out to Aztecs don't mind. Whatever that mud is, God, it stinks. I think it's just clay. This looks pretty thick too. Oh, I can tell it is just from the way it sounds. I'm gonna roll back into it. Well, y'all, I'm sorry if this video was kind of short. There really ain't much to do considering the creek's dry. And it was like our main riding spot. I might go record a clip at the bridge, I doubt it, but if I do, y'all see. But if not, peace out.